front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard. If you can't see it, select this icon and then click on it. And tap on wherever you want to paste over here. Now, it will disappear after an hour unless you pin it, so to do that, hold anything you added to Clipboard and use pin icon from the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. If you wanna delete it, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and tap on delete. You can also edit anything in Clipboard by holding it and choosing edit option between pin and delete ones. If you want to manage multiple things at once, use this pen at the top right corner, select them and decide if you want to pin or delete them. If you decided you want to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!